everyone, please choose a Brownish package. We specialize in package design and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a cosmetic pulp tray. Look at here. It is made by white glass from sugarcane pulp with black toner, which is molded by in this shape. It doesn't need too extra cost to make. And look at the surface, it is very smooth on the surface. And it has some much texture on the other side. In addition, there is a groove to place the product. It is a good holding effective to the product, so it is play a good role to protecting the product. In addition, our product has achieved zero pollution, zero addition, zero emission in the production process. The wastewater and cutting corner material can be reused. Including defective products can also be recycled to achieve the concept of environmental protection. The important thing is that it degrades 100% within 3 months. And if you want to design unique pulp tray, please feel free to contact us to get a free sample. Thank you for watching. Bye!